Okay, this watch may look kind of boring and plain, but actually it has a very high-end movement within. It's a Waltham Riverside, and I serviced this movement a number of years ago, and I'll show you what that looks like. And there it is. Let's see if I can get a good view of that Riverside movement. That is really quite nice. I mean, working on a movement like this is why we this is why we do this. This is why we're into this hobby. To be able to service a movement like that. It's absolutely gorgeous.